guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography, drones, tech, and whatever interests me, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. We're talking about a gadget today. We're talking about a portable espresso machine. When OUTIN reached out to me, and I'm talking about the OUTIN Nano, which we will see in a second, I was a bit, I'm Italian. I'm from the south of Italy, and for us, coffee is really important. I mean, we live on espresso, we wake up on espresso, and a day can turn out shit if the first coffee in the morning is not good.
Give me an espresso.
I took it with me on a family trip and on another couple occasions, and I tested it out. And I must say I was surprised, but let's roll the intro first and let's talk about it. Before getting into the review, I would like to tell you about a collaboration I have ongoing with Geeks Outfit. They're providing this beautiful hoodies that you see on me, hoodies, t-shirt. Now I'm wearing the summer collection. All the links for your reference will be down in the description. There's a summer sale, so check out all my coupons and my link. They really deserve it because they're funny and they suit me. I mean, I found a great place to get my t-shirt from. Check it out. All the links again down in the description. Unboxing experience was amazing. It's a product that feels really sturdy. There's nothing else to add. You just need to test it. And that's something I was hungry to do, and I did. And I actually loved it. I don't want to stress you more because I'm not trying to sell you this product. OUTIN reached out to me free of charge. They sent it out. They asked me my honest opinion. I didn't have any agreement with them. I could say it was horrible or amazing. And I'm sincerely, positively surprised about the product. Getting back to the espresso machine, OUTIN espresso coffee machine. It comes in this beautiful case. I mean, it has the shape of a water bottle, as you can see, and you've probably seen from the unboxing video. This is it. It comes with its stand. You basically put in, water came out. Put in water in here, put coffee on the lower size, either coffee or capsules. I mean, I'm using my mocha, my coffee, already grated coffee, but there's also the option for you to buy a coffee bean grater. I mean, I didn't need it. I didn't ask for it. And what I do, I simply fill up this with my coffee, just press it, and I have a reusable capsule. So no need for me to bring along like grains and stuff like that. Our coffee is freshly made and it's really good. Something that you can also use is capsules. There's this piece can be used for, I don't know, an espresso size capsule. I didn't even look out of it because I didn't need it. I mean, I had my coffee. I know how I want my coffee, how strong it has to be, how concentrated it has to be. It's like, remember when you use this, it's like, it's tricky. Some of you would like it like darker. Some of you would like her lighter, and it depends on how much you fill this up. You will learn with time. I mean, I got it perfectly from the first time and the coffee was amazing. I had a coffee in the bush together with my wife and my kids, and it was far away from civilization, and we enjoyed an amazing coffee. Apart that, you can buy all sorts of gadgets like bags and stuff like that. I don't think the bag is included. OUTIN sent it to me when they reached out. And I started using it and I found it surprising. I mean, I'm very picky with coffee. The first coffee in the morning for me is the most important and can ruin my day. If the coffee in the morning is horrible, I will be grumpy, and my family knows, for the entire day. So I wanted to test it. I was on holiday, I was in a good mood. It would have been hard to put me in a bad mood because we were rafting with my family and weather was beautiful. It's already summer here. I don't know where you guys are at, but I'm sweating. Air conditioning is not, the filter is not clean yet, so that's why you see me sweating. It's not because I'm running from one side to the other. House is empty without the kids. so I'm taking advantage to do the video. But getting back to us, I started using it. And the more I used it, the more I wanted to use it, and I wasn't realizing I was having too many coffees a day, because you have it on the go. You just need a bottle of water and your coffee in a container, and you're good to go wherever you are. And the result was great. It's like good enough for a South Italian espresso. I mean, I've seen many influencers talking about this. I hadn't seen no Italian one talking about this. I mean, you know, guys, how picky we are with coffee. And I was honestly afraid that coffee would not be that good. But if I'm telling you that as an Italian, I'm appreciating the effort. That said, it's a great product, and it really hit me hard. I mean, it's I'm packing to go camping tomorrow, and I'm gonna bring it with me. I will probably put some videos of me camping with the family. As you see from the images, you just need some water, the OUTIN Nano, and some coffee. I mean, I brought my grated coffee, and I bring my coffee wherever I go, because we usually carry our espresso machine that we use to put on fire if we have an oven, if I have a stove, wherever we're going. But with this solution, we don't need a stove anymore. We just need a USB plug to plug it in, charge it, and use it. What I realized was missing, and here comes one of the things I'm most proud of. As you know, I'm not a 3D designer, but for the first time, I tried to design something that was actually useful. And when OUTIN sent me this, they told me they had a collaboration ongoing with Bamboo Lab and Makers Lab online. There was a competition, something related to coffee, and in particular something called Coffee Goes Places, because enjoying coffee on the go in the field makes everything more interesting. And I realized something I was missing as a true Italian is drinking coffee together with friends. And I realized that having only the machine, it was only one cup, it was me and my wife, and we were sharing it. And I thought that something good that could fit. I saw many YouTubers and reviews of people putting the OUTIN machine here and filling this with capsules. Considering I'm bringing my coffee and it's not in capsules because I prefer it to be fresh, I wanted to use this space, and I came up with this idea. I designed this. This is a portable, and I also created a keyring. It's a portable 6 cups coffee cups. Only one has the stand. Put it here. Let me show you. There you go. So this is made by 2 pieces. One is the holder. You just put it here. They're printed in PETG, so they can go in washing machine. They can you can serve drinks in it, so they're perfect for whatever drinks you want to pour in. So what happens is you do the coffee, you pour it in, then you give the coffee to your friend, and another one comes up and you serve another one. So when they're all dirty, you collect them, you wash them under the river, as it happened to me, and then you can even put them in washing machine together. All of that can go in the dishwasher. It's PETG, so it doesn't get ruined, and everything fits back in this container with a cup and an OUTIN keyring. As you can see, small, functional, and it fits perfectly in the bag. You also have space. You also have some space for powder. So that was my idea. And guys, remember that I'm not a 3D designer. I did everything you see on Tinkercad, very basic software to do that. So links to see that model will be down in the description. Show some love on Maker's World. It means a lot for me. I mean, considering I'm I'm not a 3D designer, so I just want you to know, I just want to know if you appreciate their ideas. Again, all the links will be down in the description. When I say I want to be sincere, it's something that I've learned through time. Whenever I receive a product, they send me, I get a free product of any kind, which is a 3D printer, a coffee maker, or a robot for the swimming pool. I prefer not to do a review if I have to do a bad review. So the moment you're seeing a review means that I like the product and I believe in it. Otherwise, you will not see my face. I mean, I don't get paid to make videos. I love making videos. I love making content. The biggest award is finding a product I believe in, because that's what I want to transmit. From an Italian guy, this is a great espresso machine. It's worth every and each penny. Then if you have a 3D printer, you can also download my model. All the links will be down in the description again. Test it, guys. I mean, coupons and affiliates links will be down in the description for your reference. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video and you will enjoy an espresso. Smash the like button if you did like the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.